Hey, what's up guys, it's Smitch back with another video. This video I'm going to unbox a smart bulb. So let's get started. It's by a company which just sells it on Flipkart, and the company name is Smitch. Smitch. Okay. So let's get started. I've ordered 2 of them, and yeah. So these are the 2 smart bulbs. So let's unbox. Okay, before that, I'm just showing what all you can do. You can control from the app, Google Assistant or Alexa. There are 16 million different colors. You can sync the light with your favorite music, or you can make smart home scenes. You can even schedule the on-off time and all. Smitch Smart bulb information booklet. Then you have the bulb itself, and that's it. That's what you get. And then the second box, the same, this, and this. And that's it. So these are the 2 smart bulbs. They are in very good condition. And this is the information booklet, which is the same in both. What we need to do is just plug it in and then follow the instructions given in the app. Thank you.